the use of phrasal verbs. Which are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are like idiomatic words that we can use for speaking and for writing. Okay, what is a phrasal verb? Phrasal verbs are idiomatic phrases consisting of a verb and another element that can be a preposition or adverb. In this case, it is called particle. Okay, so the phrasal verb is divided by a verb and a particle. We have different kind of phrasal verbs. We have transitive phrasal verbs and intransitive phrasal verbs. The transitive phrasal verbs uses an object, and intransitive it doesn't use an object. If you check here, we have many kind of phrasal verbs. Find out, catch up with, stand up, read over. Some phrasal verbs can be separable and inseparable. Separable is that you can insert other words into the verb. And the particle, for example, direct object or pronouns. And inseparable, you cannot insert any other word. It can be separable. So as you know, we can use phrasal verbs in the English language. We can communicate with phrasal verbs. Those are common and easy to use. Okay, so let's talk about it. Bye.